Hello everyone, welcome back to the MeekFro channel. You are watching youtube.com/MeekFro, and without further ado, we have the Superline collection mini curly locks. Ooh, can you see it? Okay, ring light. I just wanted to show you guys what's in here before I even install them. So okay, let's open this up and see what they're working with. Oh, that's the back of the package there. See that? There we go. We have 3 bundles in 1 pack. It says 40 inches. It's that up close, as you can see. So in 1 bundle, there are 15 locks altogether. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I have a little patch of hair left. I'm just going to show you how I insert these. So you take a section, split that section in half, put the lock in between that section, do a 3-strand braid with 2 pieces of your real hair and lock as the 3rd strand of the braid. Braid it down like this. And of course these sections have to be kind of small because the lock is small. And usually when I get tired of braiding, I just wrap the rest of it around. They either use an elastic band to seal it or get some edge control and kind of seal it on the ends, and it stays. Each time I do a style like this, it stays. So next section, this is the last section. So that's the lock. I've already got my section split in half. And you want to braid in the direction you want your lock to fall. So just going to braid. So as I've said in the other videos, with these types of faux locks, in this type of method, it's basically doubling the locks. When you're putting in 1 lock, it's actually equivalent to 2, if that makes sense. So that's why your head fills up way quicker or less, depending on how fast you braid. And of course these types of styles are based on how long your head is. If your head is long, your hair can't be, you know, too long. It will be obvious. So see, I am done. That's how long it is on me. Cute. Now imagine if you did these locks the individual way, like braid and then wrap all the way down this small. It would take you days to do this. This only took me 5 hours to do. I did take breaks, but altogether it accumulated to 5 hours. And that is pretty good. So once again, this is by Superline collection. I love how natural they look. They have a frizz to it. They came like that. Also, I did use, you will need 4 packs for this particular style. I had 2 bundles left out of the 4th pack and a few pieces of another bundle. So, but you will need 4 packs in all, because you know 3 bundles come in 1 pack. So, one thing I don't like about these locks are the ends. They are a little blunt for me. Like, I like for each lock to look different, giving it a more natural look. So I most def should have got like a 4 or maybe even a 1. I don't know why this color 2 looks extremely brown. Yeah, this probably won't be the last video you guys see of this hair, because I will be keeping it in for a while, since it took me a while to put them in. Took me almost the same amount of time to put regular medium faux locks in the regular way, braiding down and wrapping, the normal faux lock method. But these will be easy to put up, do different things with. So these are the mini locks by the Superline collection, the curly mini locks. There's a lot I think I want to try and do with these locks. So like I said, this won't be the last time you guys see these locks at hand in a video, or in my head in a video. I'm probably going to add some accessories like later, like after I just wear them plainly like this. I'll probably add some shells or thread or braiding twine, you know, different stuff like that to the locks to give it some character when I get tired of just wearing them normally like this. And what else could I say about this? It doesn't shed or anything. There's no hair shedding from it. These locks cannot be unraveled. They don't unravel. They are solid. They can't be undone. It almost looks like yarn up close. You can see it's not really a curly look. It's more of a wavy locks, in my opinion. But I was thinking of going through at a couple of them and putting them on rods and putting some holding spray and, like, you know, giving it some character, like some kind of curlier than the others, because I don't like uniformed locks or uniformed faux locks. But that is it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Do me a favor, thumbs up this video, like, subscribe, share this video. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.